Hi everyone. I wanted to show you some cool new things that I'm doing. I've been playing around with acrylic markers, and you'll notice a monochromatic look to the acrylic markers. In fact, I'm only using yellow, blue, and red, the primary colors. And I did a couple of things, just kind of experimenting and trying to figure out how this medium works. And you can see I've got a little pencil drawing here that I'm gonna do. It seems to be, to me, to sort of all live in the line weight. And so I've got these really thick outlines on the monster, and then as we get in closer, I can use thinner and thinner outlines. I'm using microns to do that. I've got a micron PN, and I've also got the brush tip one. Now, I've got these three, blue, red, and yellow. I have a whole set. This is not like I'm not deprived. I've got 60 colors here. I've got another, I don't know, 120 over there. But I'm only using the primaries because I thought that would be a good way to learn. And so far it is, because I'm approaching the medium in a way I've never approached it before. This image is going to show these skeletons in a cauldron all boiling to pieces, and I want to do the cauldron in blue, the flames in red, and the skeletons will be yellow. So there's a good chance I'll screw this up because this is a more complicated drawing than most of the ones I've done so far.